ngazwani anzi jakula hakuna lafu hakuna upendo
ngenda bawereza cards embaga ya Uganda genda bera omwaka ogujja tulina ka bayimbi nga Shaggy n'abayimbi abalala bangi nnyo bangono omukyala
Rihanna
nedda apart from she's building technology akola technology buno mulaba obwo buno buuba app obwo mulaba ezo she's building technology.
So you what are you building if she's building technology?
Yeah, I build her in natural life. Taking care of her. I'm always there for her.
Okay.
I do so many things to her.
So Kapale, tell us what are the difficulties you've found so far?
Don't take a money. Yeah. I just a little bit of language barrier, but I will prove it anytime now. Because as I told you, me, I never got to school. My of life, I never got to school. My mom I've lost my mom when I'm so young. Also, my dad is there. I don't know where he is. But I'm here, and I'm married with an American woman. The person who I bless God. God is blessing. And I'm blessing. It's amazing, so amazing.
And whenever we have any challenges, we pray. If we have any challenges or any misunderstanding, we sit and first pray for God to help us, and that's what every day we pray together, and that's what keeps us very strong.
Okay.
Wow, that's good.
So Kapale is also a prayerful man?
Yes.
Simon is also a prayerful man?
Yes, he is.
Wow.
And no alcohol.
What about him?
I'm no longer drinking alcohol.
No alcohol?
Seriously.
He stopped drinking. He doesn't drink at all.
Coconut drink. Coconut
and water.
This is the kind of water. It's a very expensive water.
So kindly tell us about the day today.
The day today?
Yeah,
take us through what happened today.
Me? You want me to tell
what happened? Yeah.
Today was beautiful. We went first in the morning because I don't normally paint my nails, but he wanted me to have my nails green, So he woke up and decided that I needed to paint my nails green. So we went to do that first, and then from there we went to Crystal Bridges. It's a beautiful museum here in Bentonville, and some of the people that I work with came to be with us, and friends, and it was very lovely. It was a very lovely day.
What do you love about him most?
I love about him most that he's very strong.
Yes.
And also kind. And usually a strong person is not a kind person, but he has both. And I also love about him that he's a man of God. He's he's not a religious person to, go to church, but he's always praying every day, praying for us, God blessing us together. And when we have any conflict, we pray. Yeah. I love that. I also love that I can finally relax, because I'm a businesswoman. Do a lot of different things and, always busy working, but he helps me to relax, and he has control of the house. So, and makes me feel safe and comfortable. And so I can relax. I don't have to worry about anything when what he's saying is right. So I can follow him. And that's such a blessing, to have a man that, makes wise decisions. And, I also love about him that he's, was willing to recover his health even after everything he's suffered in life. A lot of times when people are suffering, it's hard for them to, accept their healing. And he was to accept his healing, He's
So how are you
eating.
going to heal him up? Since he lost his parents, he's an orphan, total orphan. How are you going to heal him up?
He's already healed. He's already.
Hey,
He's already.
what kind of question are
Look at
you
him.
asking?
Look at him.
Because you are an
He's
orphan.
already- Now we're working on the inside. The sugar is gone. His diabetes is gone. He's not drinking, and that's making him much healthier. And now,
I like that. One more
now
time for the Lord.
the inside, pain of the past, and to do the main thing I can do to make the past go away for him, as far as the pain, is just love him, love him more every day, and be consistent, be stable, and feel safe, and know that this is forever until Jesus comes, and that's going to make him more and more strong.
Yes, baby.
That's very good.
Bye.